Hi everybody, and welcome to a new video. For this video, I'm making some sublimation necklaces. These are hearts with stones all the way around the outside of the heart, and inside there's a double-sided heart that you can flip around, rotate, and each side you can put a photo. First off, what I do is I get everything ready. These necklaces, they come with 2 heart metal sublimation blanks that I can put on either side of the heart piece that is in the center of the necklace. And they also come with double-sided tape, so I can stick the sublimation blank to the necklace. So first off is I get everything ready. I pick out the photos that I'm using, I print them off, cut them out, and then I tape them onto the sublimation blanks. Once I get them all cut out and taped down onto the sublimation blanks, I put them in the heat press at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 75 seconds. Once you take them out of the heat press, you have to let the metal cool down a little bit, and then after you do, you remove the paper that you printed the pictures on, and we are all ready to start taping them using the double-sided tape to glue them onto the jewelry. I love how they turned out. I'm so happy with the results. After I had them all made up, all 4 of the necklaces that I made up in the first batch, because it's almost Valentine's time, I put these together for my 4 beautiful daughters as a keepsake. On one side, it's me with all 4 of them. On the other side, it's their father with all 4 of them. I thought this would be a beautiful keepsake for all of them, make them feel a little bit feel special. Every girl needs to feel special. Once I have all 4 of these put in the envelopes and set aside, I start working on the 5th necklace. For the 5th necklace, I took 2 of my favorite photos from mine and my husband's wedding to put on both sides of the necklace. Same process. I cut them out. I tape them down onto the sublimation blank and press them on for 75 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I am so happy with how these turned out. The images came out very beautifully. The necklaces look amazing. I am amazed by the outcome of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. You're all amazing. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bye for now.